Some nouns are always plural, and that's what we are going to do now. Some nouns are always plural. Some nouns are always plural. Okay, now when you talk about arms, helping arms, okay? Arms. Arms were given to the poor. You will say arms were given, used in plural form. Were given. Arms were given to the poor. Okay, next, you look at cattle. When you talk about cattle, it's always plural. Cattle. The cattle are grazing the cattle. It can be one. It can, when you say cattle, it's many. The cattle are grazing in the field. In the field. The cattle are grazing in the field. Alms were given to the poor. People. Such people are dangerous. Such people or some people. Some people are dangerous. Some people are dangerous. Scissors. We don't say scissor. It's got two, so scissors. My scissors are lost. My new scissors are lost. Okay? So you have words like arms, cattle, people, scissors, and I have some more. Trousers. It's always plural. Trousers. Trousers. His trousers were torn, or his trousers were lost. His trousers were torn. His trousers were torn. Then you will say spectacles. You won't say you will say there are two spectacles. Where are my spectacles? Where are my spectacles? It has to be used in plural form. Then, riches. Rich. How do you make a sentence with the riches? Riches make men proud. Riches make men proud. Okay, then poultry. These poultries are mine. Poultry are mine. These poultry are mine. Or these poultry are John's. Now, we're talking about some nouns are always used in plural form, like arms, cattle, people, scissors, trousers, spectacles, riches, poultry. Alms. Alms were given to the poor. The cattle are grazing in the field. Some people are dangerous. My new scissors are lost. Trousers. His trousers were torn. Spectacles. Where are my spectacles? Riches. Riches make men proud. These poultry are mine. So this is always used in plural form. Again, read aloud, write and learn for better practice.